Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market lift has big clues right here. Let's talk about this. This is very important. You need to know this before FOMC on Wednesday with the 5-day moving average trending up as well. Very important information. But before that, intraday analysis right here. Now today, quite simple. 1140. Once you identified the tapering blue algorithm, and just take a look how the blue algorithm was tapering right there together with the magenta, and you see the cups close, and thereafter beautifully that magenta and blue, another trade right there. Now just this one 100% trade that I managed to catch just off this, and another one right here if you wanted to. So you see, you don't have to be aiming for the big moves. You just have to be trading a structured demands, and the point of having perfect, penny perfect algorithms right there to guide your risks, and in this way finding appropriate moves to grab your profits. In this case it can be a small move, but still 100% profits right there if you know what you're doing. So very easy trade right there as long as you know what you're trading for, what you're doing. So this is why you have to watch the videos every day, not just to only gather context for the market trades ahead, but more importantly, to start training yourself visually and methodically. And you can practice so you understand what are the realistic and unrealistic expectations when you start trading. Because some of you need 10 points on SPY in order to make money. That's not true. And I've shown you. You just need half a point, 1 point, and even in chops like that. Because trust me, in the future, the big money is just going to chop the market so much, make retail traders suffer, because retail traders are trained, indoctrinated that they need big moves in order to make money. They are literally just gambling. But you and I were different, isn't it? If you're watching this, very importantly, you are learning how to find profits in the charts and having that sort of precision to the penny, because you understand how to be in trading by identifying the algorithms and trading a structured demands. And I've shown you day in, day out how this can be done, and there is a possibility in this for you. You just have to know what you're doing and set focus on your objective. So very beautiful trade here, simple as that. It doesn't even matter if this doesn't go 10 points. There are plenty of profits to be found if you know what you're doing. Big clues here later. I want to talk a little bit about that.